Van, you say you like to write about themes of love, loss, and lust. Once you know your themes, how do you develop them into a screenplay?
Yeah, those are the themes I'm really drawn to, and what starts pretty much everything for me. Once I have those themes, then I could build, then I could have the characters. Once I have those characters, then I could give them these goals, you know, and then once they have goals, I like to then create the world that they're in. But my worlds are really kind of similar, but I like worlds that are similar to how, you know, when we're about to fall asleep, we can hear someone in the other room, and you can't tell if it's a dream, but you know it's real. It's that stage, and then your knee jerks, and you wake up. And then, so those are the types of worlds I like to kind of create, where it's like grounded by a gritty realism, but it's, you know, it has this kind of atmospheric haze to it that borders on the edge of like a dream and a nightmare, that kind of feel to it. So then have the characters and have the theme. If I ever get lost with these characters, I go find the theme, and then I'll have them swim towards that.
How did you create the tone and mood of All Roads to Perrla?
Similar, I think. I'm drawn to shadows. I'm drawn to the definition of love, lust, and loss, and how a lot of times those definitions blend together. Your definition of love might be my definition of lust. Your definition of lust might be my definition of loss. So it's like everyone has these things, and that the tonality of it actually was also kind of highly inspired by John Lennon's song "Mother." Have you heard that song? Oh, it's like he wrote it. Mother, yeah. He wrote it while he was going through primal scream therapy, and so it's like one of the first recordings where you have like this singer really screaming. So that was the kind of feeling I want. The lyrics are unbelievable. It's like, "Mother, you had me, but I never had you. Like, Father, you left me, but I never left you." So there's like this ache. I was like, I wish I could make something that felt so gritty and powerful and painful, and still dealt with those definitions, but also dealt with family. A lot of themes. Another theme I like is family. You know, family that ties in of stuff. So the tone of it, I wanted to have it like that. Had it like a Diane Arbus photo, where it kind of where you look at it a little bit too long, that gets even a little bit scarier, but it's real. That's real life. You know, it's tied into that. So yeah, that's how I sort of developed the feel and tone of the film.
What is it about Diane Arbus's work that you're so attracted to?
I think, you know, first, it was the people, her subjects, the people that she wanted to investigate. And there were people termed on the fringes, or they called freaks, or what have you. And I think that's all of us, you know, and it was really natural, really cool and that she explored a world that people maybe are scared to look at or overlook. And I like that. I like those little nuances, and some of the things that happen to us. Sometimes we overlook some of the people that, you know, that passes by. They have a life. They have pain, suffering, hopes, dreams, and I see that in her pictures, and the art forms that I gravitate to kind of elicit that with me, like whether it's music, paintings. It makes me go to those places of wonder, new lands. New lands meaning like places where it doesn't have to be grand. It could be down the hallway, the alley. It's just new wonderment, you know. And so I like work that takes me there.
When did John Lennon write that song? What year was that?
Oh man, in the 70s, I would take it. I'm not exactly too sure, but yeah, check out the YouTube video of it. or the last part of it. It's just like, because primal scream therapy, if I'm correct, is you're supposed to let go of all your traumas, like how you're coming out of the womb, and you let it and scream it through, and have that aspect. Yeah.
Mm. Do you ever watch old interviews with John Lennon, like the Dick Cavett interview? I think he did a couple of.
I have, not in recent times, but I have for years, that particular song just stuck more to me because I think it had just, to do with his mother and things of that sort. So, yeah. And I also, I had lost my mother at the time, so it was kind of tied into that.